Hello everyone, I am Vivek Kumar, student of class 11 from PSCC Janakpuri, and this is my idea which is based on smart lake monitoring system. This is my problem statement which is based on the water bodies such as lakes, ponds and increasing polluted due to industrial discharge, sewage and agricultural runoff. And the plastic waste manually water quality monitoring, time consuming, labor intensive and provides only occasionally data, making it difficult to detect contamination in real time water. So this is my solution overview. Our solution is an AI-powered smart lake monitoring system board, an autonomous floating robot that can continuously monitor water quality in real time. It integrates a Raspberry Pi 5 with multiple sensors, including pH sensor, turbidity sensor, temperature and TDS, and dissolved oxygen sensor. To measure key water parameters, a camera module uses AI-based computer vision to detect floating waste, oil spills, or algae. My design includes three parts, which is basically the base, the separation and the top part. It will contain the microcontroller, the top part will contain the microcontroller and the camera. The bottom part contains all the sensors, and this is the separation between the top part and the bottom part. The main components of our board is Raspberry Pi 5, which is our microcontroller, solar rechargers so that we can use solar energy to recharge the robot, and the camera modules, water thrusters to move the board from one place to different, and the water quality measuring sensor, which is the main sensors which we are using, and an LCD display which will display all the data in the top part. These are the real world applications where we can apply our board. The wildlife supports ecosystem conservation by detecting pollution, algae growth or harmful substances in natural water bodies, helping protect aquatic and wildlife. Fishing farms helps fish farmers maintain optimal water condition by continuously tracking pH, oxygen level and the turbidity, reducing fish mortality and the improving yield. And the last one is river, lakes and ponds. Deployed in rural areas, bodies monitor pollution levels, detect waste, and analyze water quality trends in real time. Help prevent contamination and supports environment protection initiatives. Future scope. In coming years, we will improve it. The system can enhance by integrating satellite imaging, AI-driven predictable models, and the cloud analytics to forecast pollution trends, detect seasonal changes, and better understand. Currently, it is just an idea, and in future, we will making its prototype, which will be deployed in different areas to monitor the conditions. Thank you.